Hello everyone, my name is Programmer OT from MOMBASA Aviation College under the Faculty of Computer Science. I'd like to take you through how you can work with a stock control system. My previous video that I shot was how to control a warehousing system, but this time around I want to show you how we work with stock control system and how it works. It has been developed here by me myself and some of my colleagues in MOMBASA Aviation College. Let's see how it starts. I'm going to use this video window to show you exactly how it works. We go there. You must install, first of all, install VB.NET and .NET framework for it to run in your machine. Here we open the application part of it, and that is Visual Basic.NET, which I've used to develop this program. There I go. I open the program. There it loads. I can see how it loads. Loading depends on the speed of your computer. You should prefer that you should use at least a high speed computer, faster than this. You're gonna see it's loading, and there it comes. That is called window. Let me run the program and see, and so I can show you how it works. There I go. I run the program. The program goes. Now here you see this. This is what we call a code window. This window it's called a friendly window. Friendly window here, everybody can get access to anything that he or she wants to do. Here you can see I have Facebook there. Maybe you can enjoy yourself watching Facebook through that way. Down here I have a shortcut for shutting down, restart, log out, for exit. Okay, and then here to start the window here, now you see here, you click here to proceed. If you click this one to proceed, it will take you to the main window. There it goes. After opening the main window, this one is what we call the security window. Security window here is for security purposes for the program. Here you must log in to view the main menu to get inside the system. There I will use only my codes to make what easier, but you have to create yours before you get inside the menu. Here I will only use the one which I've created by myself. There, after pressing that one, you see here you press menu, and there it goes to the menu. Then you select the account type and the username. Here let me take for example, for instance, Betty. Betty is a manager. For you to be, if you're a manager, you'll get inside all the things. You gotta see everything there. Then you put your password. The password here, for instance, is let me say 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 the password. Then you log in. There you see that this window we call it menu window. Menu window here you see we have stock in, stock out, rejects, exit, and help. If we start with stock in, you click, and there it goes, stock in window. This stock in window we have there purchase, the purchase, and also we have here stock in. This is called a stock in section, and this one is purchase. Now let's get started and see how it works. Assume that you're running a shop or a supermarket or a hardware. For instance, let's take a supermarket. Supermarket, maybe you purchase something like let me say you purchase what? Let's take example. Okay, a phone. Okay, a mobile phone, for instance, mobile phone. Okay. Then you get here how many quantity? Let's say 50 quantity. Okay, then you put the product code. With the product code here will help us during the working time using a barcode reader to detect the project and the item. Let's take for instance example of the product code. Let me say MP1. That this one depends with the person who will be programming the barcode. Then the buying price here, buying price is per item. Let me say one mobile phone costs 6,000 shillings. And then you press the total cost, and then here comes the total cost of the amount that you have used to purchase all these things. You see 50 and 60, that is the 300,000. Then the supplier details, right? The supplier details, let me say you have been supplied by people like a Mobicom, let me say that, Mobicom, and their telephone number, let's say, is for instance like those. And also the address, their address is 67, like that. Location, let me say Hills. Then you save. Immediately you save, you can see it is updating. and it has been saved to the database of the purchase. From the database of the purchase, now the stock in, with the stock, you'll have to close this window like this for it to go direct to the stock in database. Then you open it again. And when you go to this window, this small window here, you go and find your mobile phone, and here it is. Mobile phone, you see here the product code is MP1, and also quantity 50, buying price 6,000. Now here you'll have to put your selling price, which your person you'll use to sell your items per price. Remember you bought it at around 6,000. Let me say your profit, your selling price will be 7,000. 7,000. Now that you have this in stock, you have stock value of 350,000 shillings, or it depends on the currency that you'll be using in your country. Then you save it. After saving it, it will go save directly to the stock out. After that, it has been saved. Then you close the window again. Then now here we come here, stock out. This stock out menu is where now you'll be selling. You print it left and you go to the stock out. Stock out menu, this one works with somebody, maybe a customer comes to buy the product, and here it goes. Now the customer will come, maybe he wants to buy your mobile phone. You go and see mobile phone here. How many quantities does a customer want to pick? Let's say, for instance, he wants to pick only 2. 2, remember there were 50 in the stock. Now we got only 48. We will see it later in our stock in. Now 2 will go at 14,000. Remember the buying price, it was 7,000 the selling price. Then you can press OK, and then the total comes here 16,240. That one plus value added tax. Then a customer pays you 17,000. Let me say 17,000. 17,000. There your change will be 760. If you may say it, 760. Then you click finish. After clicking finish, the receipt will come. This is now the receipt. The customer will have to take the receipt and go directly like that. Receipt, you see, you were served by Betty. Betty, the person who logged in. Welcome again. You're proud of your customer, and thank you so much for that. Then you'll have to print the receipt for the customer. You put the print and it goes. Then after that one, you clear. Then another customer comes again. Another customer comes again. You see. And again, if a customer comes again, let me say again, he wants to buy another mobile phone. You know, the first customer bought 2 mobile phones. Now in stock remaining 48 mobile phones. Now customer comes again and buy only 1 mobile phone. And the previous one, this one shows you the previous one, which we had 48 now balance. Now here, now we have 47 after that. Then you see the prime price, then you click OK. After clicking OK, you see the buying price, that one is 8,120. Then you click that. Then you say he has just sold it at let me say at 9,000. 9,000. There you go. 880. Then you have to change. Then you click OK, and the receipt again comes here. Now you see how it works. The receipt again comes. That's for the selling window. Then again you close. Now for the instant, you want to see how many stock do you have. How many stock do you have in the evening? After sales service, you come and just press that one. You come and view. You view mini statement. Here we have mini statement that will show you the stock that you have for mobile phone now. Remember, we had sold 3 mobile phones, so we expect it to be 47 remaining in stock. You click here and you come to the mobile phone. You see we have 47. The buying price here, this one, the buying price you bought it with, and the selling price that you bought it with at 350 shillings. Then just exit it. After exiting it, now we say, let's say we want to see the reports. For that instant reports, you want to see the reports for the daily report, purchase report, or buy them. Let me see the report by an item that you've sold. Report by an item, just click that one and it comes. Then you choose mobile phone. You want to see how many mobile phones you have sold today, and then you click OK. The report shows you very well mobile phones. How can you see here 6,000? That is 300,000. You've sold how many mobile phones? 3 mobile phones, remember? And there it comes. Then you just close the item, and then you go like that. Then you press OK, like that. Then you press it. Okay, now maybe you want to see the report by the supplier. We have the reports by the supplier, the person who supplies you this thing. You just come here, purchase. You put the supplier to see the supplier's details. Actually, you come here and see the supplier. Our supplier was Mobicom for that instant. You click Mobicom and you see supplier Mobicom supplied you with 50 quantity of mobile phones at a price of that, and actually address here, location and everything. Then it gets like that. This tutorial now is very impressive, and actually this system is developed to help you run your shop, supermarket, hardware and all the rest.